Now, if you're having issues with Epic Games here and you're getting the connection error inside the game or inside the launcher here, well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. Now, first things first is you may want to restart Epic Games. So typically, if you've already closed the launcher itself, it's still running the background if you're not aware yet. So usually at the bottom right here, you want to go and click on the show hidden icons or the arrow pointing up here, and that should show you all the background apps running the background. Now, if you do see Epic Games Launcher in here, you want to go and just right click on it and just basically exit or choose the exit or close Epic Games Launcher or something similar to that. So typically once you do close the app, typically you could go and just double click on Epic Games Launcher again and see if that actually solves your issue. Alternatively, you could also go to your task manager and you want to go ahead and basically search for Epic Games here. Now, by the way, to access this easily, just press Control Shift Escape on your keyboard. Again, look for Epic Games, close it by right clicking on it and clicking on End Task. Once you've done that, again, restart Epic Games here and see if that works. Now, if that doesn't work, the next thing that you want to do is you may want to go ahead and enter some commands. So you want to go to your search bar here, just type in CMD. It should open up a command prompt here, right click on it, click on Run as Administrator. Once you've done that, you want to go and just enter the following. Now, in here, you want to first type in ipconfig space / flush DNS, and you want to just make sure that this is actually properly spelled. So ipconfig space / flush DNS, press enter. Once you've done that, you want to go and just enter the following. It's going to be net sh, then space winsock space reset, and just press enter. Now, once you've done that, you want to go and just restart your PC and see if that helps. Now, if this doesn't work, the final and last thing that you could try doing here is you may want to change your DNS. So you want to go to your search here, just type in network, and you want to go and just choose view network connections. Now, inside your network connections, you want to go and just look for your current network connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you want to go and just choose Wi-Fi. Now, if you're using Ethernet cable, you want to go and just right click on it and just choose the option here that says properties. Now, from here, you want to go ahead and look for IPv4 or Internet Protocol version 4. Click on it, click on properties. And in here, you want to go and just choose the use the following DNS server addresses, and you want to go and just enter the following. That's you want to go and just use the following. So preferred DNS server is going to be 8.8.8.8. Alternate DNS server is going to be 8.8.4.4. And just click on OK. And click on OK here. And fully close this one. Restart your PC and see if that helps. Now, finally, also just a quick tip here. If you're using any VPNs, you may want to close that. Sometimes that would interfere with you using Epic Games Launcher. Now, once you do disable your VPN, see if that works. And that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.